Unveiling the Meaning, as demonstrated by. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in books, articles, or even in academic papers, as demonstrated by. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension and ability to express complex ideas clearly. So, let's get started. The phrase, as demonstrated by, is used to introduce evidence or examples that support a statement or theory. It's a way of saying, this is shown or proven by the following evidence. When you use this phrase, you're connecting an abstract idea or claim to something concrete, making your argument stronger and more convincing. 1. Academic writing. This phrase is commonly found in academic writing. For example, when discussing the effects of climate change, you might say, the increase in global temperatures, as demonstrated by the data from the World Meteorological Organization, indicates the urgent need for environmental action. 2. Everyday conversation. Although more formal, it can also be used in everyday conversation to sound more articulate. For example, the importance of a balanced diet, as demonstrated by recent health studies, cannot be underestimated. 3. In presentations. It's a powerful tool to introduce evidence or examples that back up your points, making your presentation more credible and engaging. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. Scientific context. The effectiveness of the new vaccine, as demonstrated by clinical trials, shows promising results in the fight against the disease. Historical analysis. The resilience of ancient structures, as demonstrated by the surviving Roman aqueducts, highlights the engineering skills of the past. Literature review. The theme of redemption, as demonstrated by the character arc of the protagonist, is a central element of the novel. By using, as demonstrated by, in these ways, you can clearly link your observations, arguments, or claims to specific evidence or examples, strengthening your communication. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about the phrase, as demonstrated by. We hope you now feel more comfortable using this phrase in your writing and conversations. Remember, mastering English is all about understanding the nuances of the language and how to effectively convey your thoughts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.